My BTech Information Technology in Mahindra Engineering College. After that, with 6 months of gap, I've joined a software testing course in Jspiders. And after 4 months of continuous progress, now I got placed in Microsoft company. I started my software testing course with Chandrasekhar sir, who taught manual testing. In that, I've attended a lot of mock interviews, so that all mock interviews helped me to gain both practical experiences and knowledges of testing. After completing manual testing, I attended SQL by Sankit sir. He provided well and good services to the students. He used to taught both practical and as well as if you have any documents, he used to hear all the queries, and I used to solve queries daily given by Sankit sir. It helped me to crack the interview, and I was attended more than 3 companies. In that I selected there they were asked, first round was online assessment and second was GD with return assessment, and after that I got into face to face. There they were asked for Java,